research something. Marvel. Yeah, all these things come out, these search topics and search terms, if you want. I'm going to show you how you can do the new research tool on YouTube Analytics. So first, how you can get to it. Go to your YouTube Analytics on your computer. Go to Analytics, YouTube Studio, then Analytics. Then you got this research. Now, disclaimer here. So for time of recording this, it's not available to all traders yet, but it will be. So this is my mobile channel, by the way. So let's just research something. Marvel. Yeah, all these things come out, these search topics and search terms, if you want. Scroll down. And this works for any topic you want to research, by the way. So, let's just go to Marvel. And let's go to search. So, I mean, the down, see what searched. Okay, leave it out more. Okay. This shows you the search volume on the topics that's showing you. Now, let's go to your viewer searches. Now, this is what people who are subscribed to your channel and your returning viewers are watching. I'll tell you why this is so powerful. So, if you want to know what your subscribers and returning viewers are searching for, it tells you. Doesn't it more simple than that? Now, what's the reason it's so powerful is if you have trouble getting returning viewers or getting the subscribers to watch the videos, then this will bring them back. Additionally, there's a thing called content gaps, which means if you have one, if you make a video about it, it will tell you what video is weak, like not performing well on YouTube, or if it's just old, like it needs to update it, then like an updated video. That's what a content gap is. So, if you want to know what where in the world it shows you, you go to here. Okay, so we got Australia, Canada, India, United Kingdom, and the United States. Scroll down. Yeah, that's